At the gun show today, I acquired this CMMG 22 long rifle subcaliber conversion for the AR15. I had intended to get one of these about 8 months ago. I had seen them on the shelf in a bubble pack like this, hanging on a retail rack, where you could just walk up, grab it, take it to the checkout stand. Marked $180 at Wholesale Sports, or Sportsman's Warehouse in some states. And I thought, I'm going to save up and go back and get that. And then about a week later, Sandy Hook happened. Poof. So, months later, I'm at the gun show, and I had just come back from a rifle match, and I was hitting the tail end of the gun show, and everyone was packing up to leave, and I took one quick walk through the aisles, and I saw this sitting there on some guy's table, marked $150. I didn't have $150. I had $139, and he sold it to me. It's mostly new, not used much. The magazine appears to have not been used. There's no powder residue on the lips, as is common with a 22 blowback, nor is there any residue on the follower, as is common with all 22 rimfire ammunition. It includes this rubber protector for the chamber insert. I think I'll want to lubricate that before putting in my rifle's chamber. The device itself, get on the internet and look up the Pedersen device, by the way, is a very simple straight blowback 22 with a very conventional 22 rimfire bolt face. Looks like any other 22 autoloader ever. Now note how there's some wiggle here. That's so you're not forcing anything in the chamber, and if you spread these apart, you can see it flexing there. You can take this out and then take this off. The whole thing comes apart very simply for a thorough cleaning. Now, having applied a little very ordinary oil to the chamber insert, let's take a look in there, by the way, and you can see it's pretty simple. It's I don't know if you can see that on the camera. It's a 22 long rifle chamber with a very short smooth bore barrel simulating a 5.56 or 223 cartridge. Now what you do with this is you take your AR, close the bolt before opening the action. Open. Remove your conventional bolt carrier group. Insert the subcaliber adapter. That much seems all right. Charging handle appears to work. Manual bolt lock does not work. Although it will prevent the bolt from closing all the way, but only until you release the bolt catch. Magazine. The instructions say to very carefully shave down these bumps until you get the correct fit, which I'm probably going to have to do as it's stuck in there a bit. And it did not fully latch. Hopefully a range report will follow for this, if I can find any .22 long rifle ammunition. Furthermore, the magazine, when empty, will hold open the bolt of this simple blowback device, but when the magazine is removed, the bolt will close.